What are TikTok Shop refund management tools? TikTok Shop refund management tools are digital systems that help sellers track, manage, and process customer refund requests efficiently. These tools ensure a smooth and transparent refund experience, protecting both the buyer's trust and the seller's account health. They allow sellers to monitor refund status, analyze return reasons, and resolve issues quickly, all while maintaining compliance with TikTok's seller policies. Through TikTok's Seller Center, sellers can access built-in refund management features that automatically notify them when a refund or return request is made. The platform allows sellers to review claims, approve valid refunds, and provide supporting evidence in case of disputes. To improve efficiency, sellers use Helium 10 alongside TikTok's tools to track how refunds impact profit margins, sales performance, and overall business metrics. Successful TikTok Shop sellers rely on refund analytics to identify patterns, such as recurring issues with certain products or shipping delays. By combining Helium 10's financial insights with TikTok's refund system, sellers can reduce refund rates, improve product quality, and maintain positive store ratings, key factors for long-term growth. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to financial tracking tools that help you analyze, manage, and optimize your TikTok Shop refund processes with accuracy and confidence.